In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store notes in Asana projects. Asana is a powerful tool for managing tasks and projects, and knowing how to efficiently store notes can greatly enhance your project management experience. Whether you're capturing important project details or sharing updates with your team, Asana offers intuitive ways to keep everything organized and accessible. Let's dive in and explore these features together step by step. To get started, you'll want to open your specific Asana project. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Overview tab. This is where you'll find a comprehensive view of your project, including key milestones and goals. Now, as you scroll down just a bit within the Overview section, you will come across a section titled Key Resources. This is a crucial area for compiling and storing your essential project information. Click on the option labeled Create Project Brief. This powerful feature allows you to enter all the notes and critical information pertaining to the entire project. It's an excellent spot for documenting the project's objectives, progress updates, and any other key briefings that need to be accessible to the entire team. Think of it as your project's central hub for important details. Now, let's move on to another effective method for storing notes within your Asana project. This involves utilizing the Messages tab. If you haven't added the Messages tab to your project view yet, don't worry, the process is simple. Go to the View tabs located at the top of your project screen, and you'll see a plus icon. Clicking this icon will give you the option to choose Messages. Select it, and just like that, the Messages tab will be added to your project view. The Messages tab is particularly useful for communication that involves sharing notes, updates, and messages that you want everyone in the project to see. It's designed to facilitate smooth and ongoing conversations, allowing team members to stay aligned and informed. By using the Messages tab, you ensure that everyone has access to the same updates and notes, and it helps keep all project-related conversations organized in one convenient location. Whether it's a quick note, a detailed update, or an important reminder, this feature empowers you to communicate effectively across your team. And there you have it. These are the straightforward steps to efficiently store notes within your Asana projects using both the project brief in the Overview tab and the Messages tab. By utilizing these tools, you can ensure that all crucial information is stored neatly and accessible to anyone who needs it, minimizing miscommunication and enhancing productivity. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Asana project.